So guys, it's Lewis from Bitter Blade Co. Today, I'll be fixing this table with ramen. So, I'm so sick of these videos where people are fixing stuff with ramen, toilets, sinks, tables, and I can't imagine why it wouldn't really work, because you could just use ramen as basically Bondo. But, in my theory, I think they're just taking before they smash or ruin the table and putting it at the end of the video acting like they just fixed it, and then they break it and then they go through the ramen but don't film the finished thing. I'm using a white table from IKEA that broke for unrelated reasons. I don't see why it wouldn't work. I'm going to test it out and see if it works. Yeah, so we're going to see if we can use ramen to fix this table. And I'll be using CA glue, which is short for cyanoacrylate glue, and this is from Starbond.
Damaged material.
There's a lot of controversy about if this actually works, and I'm here to put that to the test. I mean, I don't see an inherent reason why this is not going to work, but we shall see for ourselves. But I personally wouldn't fix a toilet with ramen. I would, buy a new toilet. Oh, there's ramen all over. Alright, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use some of this medium strength Starbond. Thank you, Starbond, for this glue. And just start trying to solidify any of the ramen that's in there.
This is thinner set, I'm not sure. I thought I had to buy more ramen, but I think I have enough. Come on, pass that down. Oh, play nice on it? Yeah, play nice. Okay. I was going to try to use some thin set. I mean, this is what we do in the video, so I'm not going to judge. I'm here to learn from the best repairers on earth.
Make things go faster, I got some kicker. I'm just thinking that there's a lot of glue that has to go into this before it actually starts to get somewhat solid. So rather than using a planer, as they do in the videos, they just use a plain blade. So I'm going to use this, try to scrape off the top layer, fill it again with more crushed up ramen.
Gross? Yeah, no. We're putting on that lock. Are you going to epoxy it? No. It's going to feel like bugs. I'm going to throw it out.
Alright, so what I'm thinking is the main problem is that I don't have any ramen noodles fine enough to fill the small hole. So I'm going to try to make a mock mortar and pestle. Try to grind up some ramen like a powder. Alright, now this is a hell of a lot better than a mortar and pestle. Now that might work.
Use that. Do the work.
If this doesn't work, nothing will. Little block plane. Try to use this. going to give it a coat of paint, see if that works to blend it all in. So far? You know what? That's pretty damn good. For ramen? Not bad. There's the result. Just have to put another coat of paint on. It should be good. It's not that bad. You can still kind of see the high spot with the ramen. But, I mean, for ramen noodles in one night, that's not really bad. Alright. Finished. I'm impressed. Alright. Finished. It came out better than I expected. Can you fix a table with ramen? Yeah, sure. But should you? If you have packs of ramen laying around that you don't want to eat, and you have 2 bottles of super glue, go ahead. But, like, a toilet and a sink, as soon as water hits it, it's going to swell up. Just get a new toilet. So, in conclusion, it's possible. It's real. I can't guarantee that all the videos are real, but I just want to show you that it's possible. And with different paint jobs and different finishing, you could make it look as real as you want. That's it for this video. I'm Lewis from Bitter Bladeco. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Have a nice night.